Gender Studies guest for CSS 2021. First question, Introduction to Gender Studies, definition and evolution of gender studies and its multidisciplinary nature, status of gender studies in Pakistan, and how it can be established as an academic discipline, autonomy versus integration debate in gender studies. Second, construction of gender, social construction of the gender by different means and at different levels and consequences for behaving outside the gender norms. Is sex socially determined? How and why gender roles and norms are assigned and practiced on the basis of biological sex? Gender development is the prism of nature versus nurture debate. Feminist theory and practices like history, waves of feminism, and types of feminism. Feminist movement in Pakistan, challenges and prospects. How feminist movements can alleviate the plight of women in Pakistan. The significance of postmodern feminism and queen theory in gender studies. What are their strengths and weaknesses? फिर उसके बाद जेंडर डेवलपमेंट, discuss WID, WAD, GAD approaches the prisms of different development theories. UN conferences on women and structural adjustment policies SCPs, impacts of globalization, colonialization, and capitalism on women, status of women in Pakistan in domains of education, women empowerment, health facilities, economy and employment opportunities, women and law, women oriented laws, and neither sufficient nor are they enacted in letter and spirit to protect women's right in Pakistan at large. Women in politics and governance. How women's political mainstreaming and conciseness will guarantee change in status quo of Pakistan. How democracy can ensure mitigation of women's issues in politics. What are the impacts of political quota in Pakistan? Political parties in Pakistan are male dominated. What is the future of women leadership in Pakistan politics? Gender based violence, forms and levels of violence, theories of violence and their application in Pakistan society in the light of case studies in gender studies, COVID-19 and surge in domestic violence. Women constitute half of humanity, but they are shambles everywhere. What pragmatic measures can be taken to eliminate violence against women in Pakistan society? Harassment cases are ramped in Pakistan. What are the types of harassments? Suggest strategies to prevent the cases. In Pakistan, rape culture is not only systematic, it is reinforced at every level. How it can be combat rape culture and victim blaming. ये जेंडर स्टडीज़ की गैस थी 2021 के लिए.